If it's up, then it's stuck. Look at it! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tiandra Oriana and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I will be showing you how I turned my YouTube wall from this to this to this. This is super cute. This is how the wall is looking now after I scrubbed them. So now I'm going to get ready to get the flowers. Alright, so you're gonna need a staple gun. I got this off of Amazon. It comes with its own little, staples as well. And I don't know what I'm doing there. I'm just goofing around. And yeah, I got zip ties. Do not get no zip ties, y'all, because each panel comes with zip ties. Do not order zip ties. They come with them already. I did not know that. And then these are the flowers. So each of them come with 4 different little panels. So I ordered 3 sets, so altogether that's 12. And yeah, so 4, 8, 12. So I'm going to zip tie them side by side rather than on top of each other. I'm just showing you up close. Each panel has those little holes right there, and I'm gonna take the zip tie and stick it through each hole and then tie it tight together. Make sure you have a really strong grip on it and make sure that it's really tight, because if it's not, it will look all spaced out and it won't look right when you try to staple gun it to your wall. Alright, so these are what they look like after I zip tied each of them. I don't show it in this clip, but I do show it later. I take some thumbtacks first before I just go and staple it. Like, as you can see, the thumbtack is right there, just to make sure it looks right. Like, I'll get down and see how it looks, because you do not want to just go ahead and staple everything and then it's all crooked. Like, that's ugly. So that's what I do first. I thumbtack everything down and then I look at it first and then see if it's straight or not. Yeah, I had my mom help me with that because I was having it look a little crooked, but she came in and she seen what was straight and what was not straight. And yeah, that's just what I do. And I staple gun it in between the little I'm gonna insert a video right there. Yeah, like right there. You see how I'm stapling that in between it? Make sure you cut the little ends of the zip ties as well, because that can be a little hard to get the panels to be flat. I use thumbtacks just to map it out first before I staple it to make sure that it's even enough. So I'll use some thumbtack. That's what I meant when I said that I thumbtack everything first before I just go ahead and start getting crazy with the staple gun. By the way, when I place the panels down, I don't put it directly on top of each other. As you can see, there is a little bit of space, and that's perfectly fine because when you're done, you can just fluff the flowers out and it'll literally cover the little space in between. Plus, you don't want to put it on top of each other because you want to make sure that you have enough flowers to cover your whole space. You see how I just fluff it out and cover up that space? You could do that and it'll be perfectly fine. Boom. And now install this lamp. Ready? Yeah. The sign. Ooh. Okay. Oh wait. Alright, as y'all can see, it is up. Thanks to my mom. She did all the hard work. I just stood there. She like hammered it and all that stuff. But yep, it's up. If it's up, then it's stuck. Look at it. It looks so cute. I just gotta cover up the wire. But you can't even tell. This is so cute. That is it, y'all. It was super easy. This is my DIY flower wall. It's a brand new look to my channel, and I'm excited to film a lot of videos here. Another video that I will do similar to this will be like my filming setup, you know, what I shoot with, my lighting, what I edit with, all of that. Yeah, if anybody's interested in that, I don't know, but I'm still gonna do the video anyways, and it'll be under like a whole playlist of behind the scenes. Be on the lookout for those videos as well. I will leave the inspiration video down below if you guys are interested, along with all the links to each product. Thanks again to my mom because she helped me do this. Shout out to you if you are watching this. And that is it for today's video. I hope that it was super helpful and y'all will give it a try because I love my background. I keep on saying it. If you are new here, do not forget to like and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.